GM Legends, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're starting the week with a massive celebration on Hemi. Look at those trade results on the screen. We're talking about an incredible move that delivered over plus 130% in gains for our followers. The charts confirmed our call perfectly, with the price rallying sharply right from the demand zone we highlighted. Hemi made a plus 70% bull move from the base, and the momentum is still strong. For those who don't know, Hemi is a major player in the market, acting as a modular Layer 2 solution that integrates Bitcoin's security with Ethereum's programmability. This project is fundamental to the future of Bitcoin DeFi, and its token is used for governance, staking, and gas fees. The question is it probably not over? I believe so. This is a technical breakout, and while the short-term market can be volatile, the long-term fundamentals for Hemi are driving this move. Congrats to those who took the train. Always DYOR before investing. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.